Meaning of high-octane.
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 High-octane. High-octane refers to a type of fuel that has a high resistance to detonation, or knocking, in an internal combustion engine. The octane rating measures a fuel's ability to resist knocking. A higher octane rating means a fuel can withstand more compression before detonation occurs, resulting in smoother and more efficient engine performance. The use of high-octane fuel can also prevent engine damage and improve fuel economy. High-octane fuel is often used in high-performance vehicles, such as sports cars and racing cars, to improve their acceleration and overall performance.